Today, for the Bitcoin price, you have probably already seen it. The longs on Bitfinex are actually reaching astronomical all-time highs every single hour. But everyone is expecting right now a long squeeze resulting from that, with the Bitcoin price finding lower lows as a result from that long squeeze. We will go back in time and see exactly what happened when on Bitfinex the longs were reaching all-time highs during a downturn in the price action. And guys, the result from that will actually surprise you heavily. So make sure you take a seat, make sure you smash up the like button right now. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. And well, as you can see, and as you have probably already seen it, the longs on Bitfinex are reaching an all-time high every single hour. And usually it's very bad to see the longs spiking like that, because that means people are stacking up long positions. The majority is long, expecting the Bitcoin price to go up. And as you know how it is with the majority is most of the times not correct. And when these long squeezes are actually happening, like here for example, the long positions, the people who bought in have to sell to close the position, and that's a long squeeze. And that usually results in the Bitcoin price going down because the people are selling the longs they have actually opened up. And yeah, this time it might be a little bit differently. We are going back into the time right now. And here on the downside, you can actually see the Bitcoin US dollar Bitfinex chart here on the weekly. And on the upper side here, you can see the long positions on Bitfinex. And we put them above each other so we can actually see what is happening in the Bitcoin price action. And going back into the history, we can actually see that 3 times the long positions on Bitfinex has been increasing right there, and also since 4 weeks, even since 5 weeks, right here, they have been increasing during significant downturns in the Bitcoin price right here, and also right here. So what does that mean actually on Bitfinex? When the longs are going up during the price of Bitcoin going down, that might actually mean that this might be a contrarian indicator, where when the longs are finding a new all-time high, as you can see it right here, we are going to the equivalent in the Bitcoin chart, we are finding actually a local low here, which was the low during the next 8 months. And everyone who bought in at the all-time high of the longs, we are not saying buy in here, wait until the end of the video. Everyone who bought in here at the local highs actually had a perfect position to sell right here in profit, to sell here. It was actually nearly impossible to sell at a loss if you bought in here at the all-time high of the longs during the Bitcoin price was here actually at a down spike. And the same actually happened during the very famous down spike of Bitcoin in November 2018. You all remember Bitcoin SV was launched here and the Bitcoin price was going down, finding the local low, finding the most probable low of the Bitcoin bear market right now. And at the exact same time, the longs on Bitfinex were increasing since weeks, actually finding their all-time high right here, while Bitcoin was finding the bear market low, which is actually an astonishing thing to find. So we have 2 significant up spikes in the longs of Bitcoin on Bitfinex while the price was going down, resulting in the all-time high of the longs on Bitfinex exactly at the time when it was the best time to buy into Bitcoin. So the exact opposite of what you would expect was actually the case here on the Bitfinex longs. And right now we can see since 4 weeks, the Bitcoin long positions on Bitfinex are actually finding higher highs right now, resulting in an all-time high. Once again, we are not saying this is an amazing time to buy into Bitcoin, only looking here into the history of the Bitfinex longs comparing to the Bitcoin price, this might be not the worst time to buy into. So right now the long positions are spiking up since 4 weeks, but even if we are going back a little bit more, the local low was actually somewhere here when Bitcoin had its 14,000 local high, and since then the Bitcoin long positions are actually spiking up during a downturn. This seems actually very paradox here on Bitfinex and only on Bitfinex. So what we can do right now is we can monitor this market and we can see as the longs are going up, maybe, but only maybe, there might still be a long squeeze and the price is going down, who knows, but we are here only talking about the futures. Maybe this means that just some big people are stacking up their long positions while everyone is getting rid of leverage trading, while everyone is hating on leverage trading and escaping this market actually. Maybe some smart people are sitting there stacking up their long positions while the Bitcoin price is going down, just finding a better and better entry, while everyone else is actually losing money here trying to trade the market. So guys, please take a look at that. Try to think differently. We are not saying the price is going to spike up tomorrow. Maybe we find lower lows here below 6,500. Who knows? But it is very important to know not to freak out only because the longs are going higher. There might be something else to it you are not expecting right now. Also guys, very important, it does not mean that always when the longs are going up that's a good sign, because usually it is a bad sign. Just look at all the other leverage exchanges or other future markets. When the longs are actually going up, there is a long squeeze usually afterwards. Also, you can see that if you are going here into the price action and you are checking out the times when the longs were actually going up during the price was going up, that was always very bad, and afterwards you had long squeezes and also the price of Bitcoin going down. So putting things together, the longs going up might be only a good sign while the price is going down. Also guys, there is a poll popping up on top of the screen right now asking you whether the longs on Bitfinex going up is a good sign, a bad sign, or a neutral sign. Please make your guess there and also join the comment section down below and let us know what you think about that. Very, very important. You can see this is only the case on Bitfinex. You can see on BitMEX, on Bybit and so on. The spread between long and short is actually not so high. This is a very special thing on Bitfinex. Let us know what you think about that actually. We are not trading on Bitfinex, just to let you know, we are trading on Bybit. And if you want to support us, and please read this, only for experienced traders. But if you want to support us, if you are an experienced trader, you can get with our link by clicking that link a free bonus up to $90 clicking that link, registering here on Bybit. If you want to leverage trade, if you want to take that risk, and if you are experienced, make sure you check that out. We are getting a cut from the affiliate commission. We are getting a cut from the trading fees actually. You are supporting us, and at the same time you are getting this free bonus, and registering actually takes only 24 seconds. We measured that one time before. So guys, thank you so much for that. And to end today's episode, we want to show you this crazy Bitcoin spike. Bitcoin is actually in a huge bubble right now. No, this is only a joke. This is the US national debt, and as you can see, the debt is increasing day by day. Fiat is in a bubble. Fiat is the tulip bubble, not Bitcoin. Bitcoin might be the safe haven for you here. Why the debt is increasing, why the monetary base is increasing, Bitcoin supply remains predictable. So here also, big shout out to Rhythm Trader who bought that up. Bitcoin's price chart is insane. No, I know why they call it a bubble. Oh wait, this is the national debt of the United States of America. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button, and we'll see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto, most probably already tomorrow. And that being said, guys, as always, bye bye.